Hello, in this video we're gonna check if you can customize how your character face looks in Diablo Immortal. So in order to do this, we'll need to click on this plus button, because I'll be creating new character. Just to show you that, here we can pick any class that we want. So for example, I'm gonna pick this one, move to the next step, and right here we'll be able to click on customize. We can also choose between 3 different presets of faces, but let's go for the customize. We can pick our skin tone, hair. You can also click on this menu right here and choose a different facial hair or hair color. If you go to the 3rd option right here, you'll be able to customize your face. So that means you can customize the face on how your character looks like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.